Welcome everyone, this is Vlogs of an Idol. My name is Joen. Grabe, it's been 10 months since the pandemic has spread all throughout the country at nagpa siya ang gobyerno na i-lockdown ang buong bansa. Nakita natin kung gaano ka-incompetent ang gobyerno sa pag-handle ng krisis sa bansa. Like, until now, wala pa rin silang balak magkaroon ng mass testing kaya nagbumukang nagde-decline na ang mga kaso ng COVID kahit hindi naman talaga. Pati na rin sa pagpili nila ng vaccine na may mababang efficacy pero mas mahal na presyo para mas marami na naman silang makupit sa mga tao. Kaya paniguradong lalagpasan naman ng 10 buwan ang pagkakakulong natin sa ating mga tirahan. Ganun pa man, hindi na natin kailangan maboard pa sa pananatili natin sa ating mga bahay. Introducing the Google Nest Mini. The Google Nest Mini is a smart speaker made by Google that serves as your voice receiver when you're commanding your smart appliances linked to the Google Home app. It can play music, control smart home gadgets, answer trivia questions, add things to a shopping list, create calendar appointments, or play video on a Chromecast-enabled screen. It is actually the successor for Google's first home mini smart speaker, the Google Home Mini. I bought this from Lazada dahil gusto ko lang talaga magkaroon ng smart speaker para ma-experience ko naman ang pag-control sa aking mga smart gadgets dito sa aking bahay. Kaya I bought a smart power strip and a smart bulb as well. In this video, we'll be doing an unboxing and initial setup of the Google Nest Mini. But before that, a quick thumbs up and subscribe to the channel would be marvelous. Right off the bat, we'll see the Google branding at the front and the image of the speaker. Let's take off the plastic and remove the lid so we'll be greeted by the speaker itself. Let's take out the speaker so we could see some paperwork and its power jack adapter. I ordered the black variant, but it comes with a coral, white, and teal color variants. Now we've finished unboxing the Nest Mini, it's time to set it up through the Google Home app. First off, plug in the Google Nest Mini and let it start its booting process. Then open the Google Home app. You can download it from the Google Play Store or the App Store. Open the Google Home app and click the plus sign at the top left, then click Setup Device. Choose the home where the Nest Mini is located, then turn on location services and Bluetooth as well. Once it's done, it will automatically look for a nearby device that it can link to. Now that the Nest Mini is found, click the connect button to start connecting it to the app. It will ask if you've heard the sound from the speaker. If you did, then click yes. Now it's time to connect the Nest Mini to your Wi-Fi network. Click yes, I'm in, then proceed to initiate the connection. Choose where the device is located, choose your Wi-Fi network, then enter. Wait for it to connect to the Wi-Fi, and once it's connected, it will ask for you to read some sentences to help the Google Assistant recognize your voice. And that's about the initial setup for the Google Nest Mini. Now here's my first impressions. For the week that I've been using the Google Nest Mini, I can say that this is truly a life-changing experience. Having to control your devices through voice command really makes you feel how tech evolved in this generation. My current smart setup right now is a smart power strip and a smart bulb, which both supports Google Assistant services. It is still not much, but I still enjoy controlling them through the speaker. Planning on getting more smart devices pa nga para mas ma-enjoy ko pa ang experience na to. For them to be controlled by the Nest, you have to pair them to the Smart Life app and link them to the Google Home as well. It depends on the device if it is through the Smart Life app. It could be through the Mi Home app or the Lasco app as long as it works with Google. I must say, turning on the light without having to stand up stops the disruption of your relaxation. You don't have to move around the house to turn on the light, you just have to shout to Google. The Nest does have some slow moments on initializing the commands. It also has a hard time picking up voice control when two or more are saying "Hey Google." I also experienced it not getting the correct command or not even doing the command at all. I mean, it's pretty frustrating for me na kailangan ko pang ulit-ulitin yung command para lang magawa ni Google kasi at sometimes meron talagang part na hindi na nakukuha yung sinabi ko or hindi niya lang talaga ginagawa kahit sobrang clear naman ng boses ko when saying the command. So, I guess it's a little frustrating pero it is understandable naman kasi it might depend on your internet connection. Hey Google, I love you.
Sorry, something went wrong.
You
Try
son of...
again in a few seconds.
Grabe yung sama na ugali mo. Okay, Google. Choose a number between 1 to 10.
Here's a random number. 8.
Nice. Okay, Google. Turn off the hub.
Okay, turning the hub off.
Okay, Google. Turn on the hub.
Sure, turning the hub on.
Nice one. There we go. Well, the Google Nest Mini isn't just for controlling your smart devices. You can play your favorite music or listen to podcasts just by telling Google to play some music on Spotify or play podcasts on Google Podcasts. On setting up the Nest Mini, you will initially choose which music provider you prefer. As far as the sound performance goes, it sounds so well for me thanks to its 40mm full-range driver. It delivers wide coverage of sound and even thumpier bass than its predecessor. You can also set its bass and treble setting through the Google Home app by heading to your Nest icon, then click the equalizer settings. Speaking Speaking of settings, the Google Nest is also running on a smart touch controls located at the top, wherein you can play or pause music by pressing the center of the speaker and adjust the volume by pressing the sides, indicating by the LED lights. Also, it has a physical switch for muting the speaker. It also has a hanger underneath so you can hang it by a wall. What's great here is that the Nest Mini is entirely made by recycled plastic bottles. So it's not just great for starting your own smart ecosystem, but for the entire environment as well. It's easy to set up, quite cheap as well, only costs around 1,600 pesos to 1,800 pesos on Lazada. So that's it for the unboxing and initial setup for the Google Nest Mini. I will be doing more videos about its features and my overall review. So subscribe to the channel and click the notifications bell so you guys will be updated when those videos come out. That's it for the video, guys. Stay safe, keep grinding, and see you sa next video. Bye-bye!